Hey guys, in today's video we will talk about the real salaries of engineers in Europe. I'm Alex, a professional engineer with over 15 years of experience, a certified professional engineer and a certified career coach for engineers. First, let's look at statistics from official European Union websites, and then I will share my own observations. I frequently interact with engineers in my roles as both as an engineer and a coach, so I have a good sense of real salaries levels. So in the European Union, engineers in Switzerland can expect an annual salary after taxes of over 89,000 euros per year, actually the highest in Europe. The average annual salary, often taxes for an engineer in the European Union, is just over 39,000 euros. Low salaries are due to high taxes in the European Union, which can range from 30 to 50% depending on the country. Overall, Europe is not the best place for accumulating wealth. The cost of living and the inflation rates also affect how much of your salary you actually take home. Looking at the European Union statistics chart showing average price ranges across Europe, Switzerland, where prices are more than 174% of the European average, might not seem so attractive, right? Comparing engineer salaries to other professions in the European Union, the average salary is only 29,000 euros, while the average engineer salary is 39,500 euros, which is actually 35% higher. I'd also like to share international statistics on the number of engineers in the different countries. For example, in the 1960s, the most engineers were the USA, almost 600,000 people, but by 2021, India leads almost 64 million engineers, followed by China with 59 million and the USA with 33 million. Now let me share my observations about salaries in Europe.
Sending hundreds of resumes but not getting any response? Engineer-Now is a platform for creating resumes for engineers of all professions. The most crucial aspect of a technical specialist's resume is their professional skills. On the Engineer-Now platform, technical skills and competencies for almost all engineering professions have been manually selected, and you can add them to your resume with just one click. In today's world, most companies use AI algorithms to screen resumes, so even the format of your resume matters during the selection process. Engineer-Now uses formats tested over the years on hundreds of engineers. Use what truly works.
One interesting thing in Europe is that contractors often get paid more than local employees. I have many friends in various European countries, they're mostly experienced engineers with 7, 8 or more years of experience, but also some young specialists as well. I can say that the salary level are quite consistent. You won't find a situation where one engineer in a company earns 2,000 euros a month while another earns 15 or 20,000 euros a month. I mean, the same engineer. So the average salary for an oil and gas engineer on a local contract is about 34,000 euros a month after taxes. I explained actually in another video the difference between a local and an expat, so watch this to understand it better. So if you are hired as an expat contractor, so your salary can be 7,000–8,000 euros a month. But these contracts are usually short-term, around 1 or 2 years. I have received actually myself multiple offers from European countries like Sweden, Italy, Spain, and some others. So actually they offering similar 7,000–8,000 euros a month. However, what I don't like about Europe is that they rarely offer relocation packages for your family. So while the company pays you 7,000 euros, you have to relocate your family, rent a house, pay for school, insurance and expensive healthcare out of your salary. For European citizens, especially young specialists, salaries after taxes around 1,500 or 2,000 euros a month, and considering the cost of living in many European countries, you will barely make ends meet on 2,000 euros a month. It will be a very modest life, and I can't imagine how a family with kids would manage on that amount. Write the guys in the comments if I'm wrong actually. So as an engineer with over 15 years of experience, I find it disappointing that our profession is undervalued in the job market. That is why I started improving myself, becoming a chartered engineer, certified maintenance and reliability professional, and obtained other international certifications. For the past 6 years, I've been working in Arab countries with no taxes, and my salary actually has increased about maybe 10 times compared to what I earned before. So guys, appreciate your work and your time. I've mentioned this in another video, but I will share again how you can double or even more your salary within a year. According to Forbes, people who change jobs more frequently tend to have higher average salaries over 10 years than those who stay in one place. A simple tip to increase your salary is to find a new job. So companies usually offer maybe 20-30% more than your current salary, and if you negotiate well, and if your current salary is actually quite low, you might get even 50 or 70% more. And if the new job is overseas, you can instantly increase your salary even several times. So once you get the new job, start looking for another, and in 2-3 months you might find another job offering maybe 20-30% or 20-30 or even 50% more. So this way you can increase your salary several times within a few months. This is not just a theory, but a practical and proven method. Of course, don't change it too often and become a job hopper and ruin your resume and career. Also, you don't have to list all short-term jobs in your resume. That's it for now. Bye bye. See you in the next video.